Hello and welcome to How to Code and More. This time with something special. I wanted something where I can put all my network equipment like a switch, USB and a network attached storage together, and so it's protected and no cables flying around. And so I decided to buy a 19-inch rack shelf. I bought the LogiLink W09A40G from Amazon. Link is down below. I like the case. It's not too big and the quality is quite good. The price is not too high. And there's only one thing which is a little bit tricky. It's the mounting of the glass door. I will leave a marker in the video so you can directly jump in there, because I think I found a way how to do it quite okay and nicely. So you see how it's assembled. And yeah, so the video is fast forward with nice music. Enjoy, subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. See ya next time.